students, now we'll start our fourth problem. So see the fourth problem of the depreciation. Rajesh and Sons purchased a machine on 1st October 2008 for 20,000. When the machine is purchased? The machine is purchased on 1st October 2008. Okay, for 20,000. Depreciation is provided at 15% on original cost method. The rate of depreciation is 15% and the method is original cost. Original cost, fixed installment, straight line and equal installment. These are the four names of a single method. Fixed installment and original cost and straight line both are same methods. Next, another machine was purchased or bought on 1st April 2010 for 30,000. In the third year, the another machine is also purchased. In the second year, the another machine is also purchased for 30,000, and the account should be closed on 31st March 2011. So see here, the another machine purchased on 1st April 2010 for 30,000. So we need to draw the account up to March 2011, 31st March 2011. So months calculation. For the first, if you have not seen my months calculation video, first see that video. So in one video when I have started the depreciation chapter, at that time I have explained you how to calculate the months. So see here, for 2008 first year, the year of financial year is from 1st October 2008 for this to 31st March 2009. Okay na? Because machine we purchased on 1st October, so we calculate the depreciation from 1st October only. See the month calculation for the first year. October, November, December of 2008 and January, Feb and March of 2009. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So for first year we need to calculate for how many months? For 6 months. Okay. For first year only we calculate the depreciation for 6 months. From the second year, from 1st April it starts and we calculate the depreciation for full year. Don't confuse with the two machines. If two machines are given, then don't confuse with that. Okay. फर्स्ट अपने क्या करेंगे, ये फुल स्टॉप तक का ही हम कर लेंगे. पहले क्या हुआ, मशीन परचेज हुआ. सो व्हेन द मशीन इज परचेज्ड, द मशीन इज परचेज्ड ऑन 1st October 2009. Sorry, 2008. The machine is purchased on 1st October 2008. Next. So what we write? We write here to bank account. If machine is purchased, what we need to write? We need to write to bank account. Why we should write to bank account? I have explained in our earlier class. For how much amount? For 20,000. Right? In bracket, for your better understanding, I have also written the straight line method and 15%. Or otherwise we can write it as a original cost method. Both the names are same. If I am also, we can write the names are same. So we calculate the depreciation. Wow. So see, on 31st March 2009 by depreciation, first year starts from 1st October 2008 to 31st March 2009. As in the question mentioned, the prepare machine account up to 31st March, means your financial year is given. So our year ends on 31st March only every year. So for the first year it is for 6 months. For first year it is 6 months. 20,000 into 15 by 100 into 6 by 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are, right? 2 zeros cancel. 2 15s are 30 double zero. Okay, double zero. Okay, so next 2 ones are 2 15s are 15 twos are 30. 1500 total we have depreciation for the first year. If you are getting again confusion, then again I am calculating. See here, 20,000 into the rate of depreciation is how much? 15%, means 15 by 100 into 6 months only, na, from October to March. 6 by 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 1 15s are 15. Okay, these 2 zeros are cancelled, no? Double zero. So how much? 1500 depreciation for the first year we have. Now balancing figure. See here, for left side we have 20,000. Here also 20,000 tallying. The difference is how much? This 20,000 minus 1500, that is on the same date, on 31st March. On 31st March. So on the same date, on 31st March 2009, remaining balance carried down. How much? That is 18,500. 18,500. In our previous class only, I have explained you how to balance this machine account. Okay, how to balance the ledger. You have already studied in your intermediate first year, and also in our previous lecture I have totally explained you how to balance the account. So here we have 20,000, here with depreciation 1500, and the balancing figure is 18,500. So go for the next year. नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट ईयर अपने को कैरिड डाउन के बाद ब्रॉड डाउन होगा बैलेंस ऑन वन 4/2009 to balance brought down, to balance brought down, बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन करेंगे B by D. ब्रॉट डाउन सेम जितना कैरी डाउन करे थे ना उतना ही सेम हम क्या करेंगे. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी नीड टू ब्रॉट डाउन इट, दैट इज 18,500. After this, the same at the end of the year we need to calculate the depreciation, that is on 31st to March 2010, right? We will calculate now depreciation for 31st March 2010 by depreciation account, by depreciation account by depreciation account. How much depreciation in the first year? We calculated the depreciation for 6 months. Now we calculated the depreciation for the full year. Now we will calculate for the full year. See, as it is the original cost method, straight line method or fixed installment method, depreciation will be calculated on original cost of an asset only, that is 20,000 into rate of depreciation is 1500. 2 zeros cancel, 2 15s are that 15 twos are 30, and these twos here 2. So depreciation for full year we got 3000. So the depreciation 3000. Next balancing figure. Next balancing figure, the due symbol on 31st March 2010. What is the balancing figure? So the total is how much? 18,500 from debits. On debit side the total is 18,500. On credit side how much we have? 3000. So from this 18,500 we will deduct this 3000, and how much we will get? We will get 15,500. It is our balancing figure. And now both the sides matched, tallied, as it is a ledger, 15,500. Next, for the next year, 1st April 2010, the balancing amount is how much? 15,500. Okay, after deducting the depreciation of first year and second year, we have balance of 15,500. But on 1st April 2010 only, we bought a new machine. So if we are buying the asset or machine, what we need to write? To bank account. Okay, we have purchased a new asset, so to bank account. न्यू मशीन को परचेज करें फॉर हाउ मच? फॉर 30,000. न्यू एसेट इज परचेज फॉर 30,000. Now depreciation at the end of the year on 31st to March 2011. On 31st March 2011. Okay. By depreciation account. By depreciation account. By depreciation account. But here we need to calculate the depreciation for machine 1 as well as machine 2. But here already we have the depreciation of machine 1. Machine 1's depreciation already we have. How much that is? M1 depreciation we have. Machine 1's depreciation we have. That is 3,000. Already calculated fully for the first year. Next we need to calculate the machine 2's depreciation. See here, machine 2 is purchased for 30,000. Machine 2 is purchased for 30,000. Okay. And on 1st April it is purchased, so we calculate the full depreciation. 30,000 into 15 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 15 3s are 45, and these 2 zeros means 4,500 depreciation for machine 2. In third year we have machine 2. Okay, right. Machine 1 depreciation 3,000, machine 2 depreciation now we calculated, that is 4,500. So total 7,500 depreciation for both the machines. 7,500. Now balancing figure at the end of the year. So first we do the total here. So the total is 45,500. 45,500. And next balancing figure, by balance brought down. By balance, sorry, carried down. By balance carried down. Right. So 45,500 minus 7,500. That is how much? 38,000. The balancing figure is 38,000. Debit minus credit. The ledger balancing. Okay. 38,500. And the total is same. 45,500 only. Alright, so it is our total problem. After that, for the next year, on 1st April 2011, the balance will be 38,000. It is the balance of machine 1 and machine 2, both the machines balance. Right, so see here, in this problem totally we have 2 machines. Don't forget to take another machine, means machine 2, from 1st April 2010, 1st August 2008 to 31st March 2009, first financial year, and second financial year starts from 1st April 2009 to 31st March 2010, and third financial year starts from 1st April 2010, and in third year only we bought the machine, means second machine we bought on the 1st April 2010. It means in the third year. In the third year, after balancing, means after balance brought down, we need to take the second machine also. Second machine compulsory we need to take. M2 हमको यहाँ पे लेना है, ये याद रखना है, ये M2 का बैलेंस है अपने, राइट, ये M2 के लिए है, M2 का बैलेंस हमको लेना है. उसके बाद the total depreciation for the 2 machines you can write the, what you can say, working notes also. I have deleted from here I have deleted the working note, but you write the working note here and later the balancing figure, then balance brought down. So it is our fourth problem. It is question number 4. Question number 4 it is. Question number 4. Okay, right. Thank you very much.